Hi, I'm Philip. I live here in Long Beach. I am 21. I'm making this YouTube because I want to show you my journey towards my goal, which is to win my company picnic. Every year we have a company picnic, and they also host a car show. And the best car, the car with the most amount of votes wins. And my goal for the next year is to have this E70 X5, not the V8, sadly, to win the car show. I hope you enjoy my content. It's just me, my cars, and some of my friends here. Maybe you'll get, I don't know the rest. But here, let me show you around the car. Okay, so I'm kind of just getting into the car world. So I have these XXRs 553s. They're nothing too special, but they do look really nice on the car. Yeah, I know you'll be like, oh, they're cheap, but you know what? I like it, so you guys should totally like it too. I have these LEDs at the bottom because they look pretty nice during the day or during the night. It's pretty dirty, you gotta excuse it. Let's see, I don't have the waifu sticker. But here, let's unlock the car. So my car is a 3.0 SI, it's a 2008. I have a upgraded head unit. It allows me to watch YouTube videos and, connect via Apple Play. There's nothing much to it. I have a catback exhaust system. I converted the tips to quad. They do look kind of ugly, but you know what? I kind of like it, so it's okay. And then I have oh, what the fuck? My toe strap. Yeah, I know the thing where it's like, hey, whoever has a toe strap is a fucking poser. So I'm not a poser, guys. I just have it because I lost a little thing, and I was like, you know what? Fuck it. It looks pretty cool to me. It looks pretty cool to me. I have this little spoiler. It's like Duraflex meat, slabs of meat. It's pretty cool. Oh, my cat, Moonshot. And yeah, and so let's see. So I have coils. Coming in for the car. They're gonna be by BC Racing Coils. They're gonna drop the car like 3 inches or so. I'm also gonna paint the car a different color. I'm hoping maybe, I was thinking of like an ultrasonic blue from Lexus, but maybe I'll go for like something crazy like an orange or something. Maybe I'll go for a wrap. I don't know, but I hope you like my content, and I'll be seeing you guys weekly. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today some hot butt sex. You could shut the fuck up and get out of my frame. For some hot butt sex.